Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help you connect your Ford Explorer garage door opener. First, make sure your garage door opener remote has working batteries. Next, park your Explorer inside your garage, ensuring it's not blocking the door's path. Then, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on the overhead console or sun visor. These buttons are what you'll program to control your garage door. This preparation ensures a smooth setup process. To begin programming, first clear any existing codes by pressing and holding the 2 outer home link buttons for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Next, hold your garage door remote about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button and your garage door remote button. Continue holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash, confirming the signal is learned. After programming the remote signal, you'll need to sync with your garage door motor. Locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually on the back or side. Press this button once. The indicator light will typically illuminate for about 30 seconds. Immediately return to your Explorer and firmly press the newly programmed home link button 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time. Your garage door should now activate, confirming a successful connection. If your garage door doesn't respond, don't worry. First, ensure your Explorer's ignition is on or in accessory mode during the entire process. Some older garage door openers might require a rolling code repeater, which can be purchased separately. If issues persist, consult your garage door opener's manual for specific Learn button locations or unique programming sequences. Patience is key, and repeating the steps carefully often resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.